Okay, we are going to discuss here valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. So why we need to study this one first thing? So we can say simply, I hope you know that one ammonia and water hybridization. Last class I given ammonia hybridization is sp3. So sp3 hybridization means bond angle should be 109 degrees 28 minutes. Same water also sp3 109 degrees 28 minutes. But here this bond angle is experimentally proved 107 degrees and water bond angle proved that 104 degrees 104.5. Here sp3 hybridization means we studied that 109 degrees 28 minutes and that is tetrahedral geometry. Got it?
Yes, sir.
And here also same thing sp3 tetrahedral geometry. This is we are expecting structures. But
Okay.
experimentally proved something deviation is there. Why this deviation happened? Not only these molecules, like different molecules, whatever they have, for example, SF4, different structures. Okay, so they are trying to explain by using this theory. That is what the given theory here: valency shell electron pair repulsion theory. According to this theory, lone pair. If any molecule is there, more space occupied by lone pair. If lone pair is present, because these are electrons more negative charge, okay, that occupies more the surface area of the molecule with respect to central atom. But we know very basic point is electron both have negative charge, they can repulsion each other. You have this idea or this, I think so, this point, both are same charges means they can repulsion each other, opposite charges they can attract each other. I hope you know that point.
Yes, sir.
Then we can see here lone pair means that is not participated in any bond, that free electrons.
Okay.
So if you are taking here oxygen, water, it's very simple. You can see here oxygen have 6 electrons. You know that one hydrogen, two lone pairs is there. These are belongs to oxygen. These are not participated in bond. So these are going to be occupying more space, and this is going to be oxygen and hydrogen. They form covalent bond. That is bond pairs. Bond pair attracted by two nucleus, oxygen nucleus and hydrogen nucleus. But
Okay.
lone pair is attracted by only oxygen nucleus. So which will have more chance to get repulsions?
Said the lone pair.
Yes, very good. These are free na electrons. That's why they have more repulsions. So we can write here chance of lone pair is more repulsions. Next lone pair bond pair is more repulsions. Next bond pair. These are the repulsions. This is the order of the repulsions of electrons which is present in the central atom. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine. Now we can discuss here same thing. That's the point only I wrote here also. So lone pair repulsions is more, then lone pair, then bond pair. This is the one point. And same thing here I wrote with respect to double bond also. Double bond, they have more repulsions than single bond, and single bond. These are the 2 points you may note down this one. Okay, these are the 2 points.
So repulsion between double bonds is greater
Yeah,
than.
because two bonds means four electrons present here. Single bond means only two electrons.
Okay.
More the electrons means more the repulsions between them. So got it this point?
Yes, sir.
If you note it down, then you can move further.
Yes, sir. I've written.
Yeah, fine. Now we are going to be apply that concept here. So I need to discuss oxygen bond angle. So here one lone pair, this another lone pair. So they have repulsions which is strong repulsions. Lone pair is more repulsions.
Yes.
Then bond pair is repulsions. Then which is dominate here? Bond lone pair. Due to this character, due to more repulsions of bond pair and lone pair, this will come near to each other. These bonds, the hydrogen bond coming near to each other. These hydrogens. When they are coming, automatically bond angle decreases or increases here.
Decreases.
Yeah, that is the reason we are expecting 109 degrees 28 minutes, but that reduces to 104 degrees 104.5 degrees. Got it? Reason why they reduces?
Yes, sir.
Same thing. Can you try ammonia also?
Okay.
So here also same thing. Actual supposed to be sp3. We are expecting 109 degrees 28 minutes, but experimentally proved that 107 degrees.
Yes, sir. Is because there is only one lone pair, the angle is a bit greater than water.
Correct, correct. This is the repulsions. Then automatically lone pair bond pair is more repulsions that these atoms will come near to each other. So bond angle going to be decreases. So got the
Okay.
reason?
Yes, sir.
Fine.
So, sir, is this applicable for all molecules? Like, for example, if any molecule has one lone pair and three hydrogens, bond angle will always be 107, and if it
Yes, that's
has.
correct. It is applicable for all.
Okay.
It is applicable for everything.
Okay.
Now we can see.